Guys? Yeah. Package delivery. It's something for the pilot I've been wanting to do for a while. Ah! Package. Alright. Let me show y'all what that is. If you're reading the title of this video, you already know what it is. But let's sit down right here on the float. It's my little package. Nothing big. That's from China apparently, and I don't think it's a part number. Doesn't look like a part number, but stupid tape. This, by the way, doesn't weigh anything. And of course, another bag inside of a box, inside of a bag. Look at those guys. These are reverse lights for the pilot. Yeah. So for some reason they don't look like that's what it's for. These things don't look right. Let's go take a look. Oh yeah, they are. Alright. We're gonna remove. Am I removing? No, I think I gotta lift up the hatch. Always carry a knife. Oh look, just right there. Twist and pull. Come on, bolt. Oh, look at that. Focus. They look kind of cool. Now I want to put these in. I mean, they just pop in. I know which one way it will not work, and then the other way it will work. Okay. Now I'm gonna do something in order to have them on. I'm gonna not turn the car on, but it is automatic. I don't know if they make these things standard. Turn it forward. Turn it off. E-brake. Reverse. Cool. So there's that. That is the right way, because I know if you flip it like that, turn it around, it shouldn't work. Oh, it does work. It does work. Oh, it's not like those side marker bulbs. Yeah, I know. Miss different colors. Ooh, boy, that was getting hot. Oh man. That comes with warranty. Pop, 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 pop. Look at that. That thing's pretty bright. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Get in there, damn it. Nope, nope, one more. There it is. Okay. Pop the cast back in there. Nope, this way. Nope, that way. This little nubber Little gap goes to the bottom. All right. Get rid of these so my kids won't play with them. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is before. Nothing too fancy, right? Just your stock bulb. All right. That's your side-by-side comparison. Oh, it looks so much nicer. That's done. Yeah, buddy. Just did it. Now I'll give y'all. I'll wait till it gets dark and I'll do another side-by-side comparison. So see what it looks like at night. Because right now it doesn't really do any justice. I know. If I was watching this video, I want to see what it looks like at night. Because that's really what I'm buying it for. So you can see me at night. But yeah, when it gets dark, I mean, of course, this video is gonna be like no time. It's gonna be like right now. All right, show y'all the. Wow. It's almost like headlights. Yeah, so those are almost like headlights. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now I'm going to do it before, after and before on what it looks like, you know, what it used to, because side by side, that's a side by side comparison. I mean, what do you want in your corner? Yes, sir. Speaks for itself. Goodbye. I think I paid $8, I think, for these. And I think that looks pretty awesome. I'm going to cut back to the both LEDs in a minute. Here they are again. And just look at the amount of light it puts out. It's just one. Yeah. So I'll put a couple pictures up on what they look like. And I can't really give a link. Because, I mean, there's going to be so many different types. And I mean, eBay, dude. Just Google the number. And pops up. But thanks for watching.